guys, we have a review coming. That's why my teeth are out. I got the Bondezz, I think that's how you say it, adhesive free denture pads. They sent me some free samples to try for you all, and it came with this nifty thing of directions. And then I got 2 uppers and 2 lowers. I think this is the upper, and I think this is the lower. It's not very clear on that in the instructions, but that's what looks like they're gonna fit the most in my dentures. It also says you don't need to cut them, but compared to my dentures, they're very huge, so I have scissors just in case I need them. I have not heard good things about Bondezz, the 100% adhesive-free denture pad. So we're gonna figure out together whether these are any good or not. So I guess what I'm gonna do is take 1 lower and 1 upper out of the baggies. I'm assuming, I think this is the upper, and you're supposed to place it smooth side facing up. So then the bumpy side would go down and the smooth side is going to be facing up. So I'm going to lay it that way so I do not forget that part because it might be important. Now I'm going to take out one of the lowers. Honestly, this feels like a paper towel. And I haven't even done anything with it yet, but it really does. It feels like a paper towel. Quicker picker upper bounty. All right, what was it? Smooth side facing up, so the bumpy side goes down. All right, on a clean denture, use finger to moisten with water. Ain't nobody got time for that. I'm using a spray bottle. There goes my son in his underwear, disregard that. So I'm just gonna lightly spritz my upper and lower denture. There, shake off any excess so they are lightly spritzed with water. Now place pad on denture, smooth side facing up. Press pad down into denture channel. Okay, we'll start with the upper, smooth side facing up. We're doing this together. Pressing it into all the channels. Is it supposed to be like that? I guess it's supposed to be like that. Moving it over a little bit so it's hanging off the back. That automatically, I'm not gonna like that because I do not like stuff that hangs off the back of the dentures because it just makes me want to gag. Okay. Use finger to lightly moisten entire pad with water. So we're gonna give this a light spritzing again. So now it is entirely spritzed with water, and I guess for the most part the upper is the way it's going to be. Now we're gonna try the same thing with the lower. The lower instructions are the same thing. Place pad on denture, smooth side facing up. Press pad down into denture channel. So that's what we're gonna do. This thing is so huge compared to my little itty bitty dentures. Overlap the front and back of the pad. Helps prevent food from entering into the denture. And then use finger to moisten entire pad with water. So we're gonna spritz it again. Okay, so that's been lightly moistened. It's not really sticking to the denture at all. Okay. All right. Wait 1 minute before placing denture in mouth, then bite firmly for 10 seconds. Mommy? Hang on a minute, bud. So we're gonna wait for a minute, give or take a minute. I'm looking at my clock on my phone, so when that changes, we will know it's time to put them in our mouth. Now, supposedly this is made from some kind of part of a plant. And it acts like an adhesive, but it's not an adhesive. And supposedly it holds. On the back, there's also instructions for how to use these with adhesive. So on a clean denture, moisten denture with water. Add 3 small dabs of adhesive on the denture, no larger than a split pea. And then just do the same thing we just did, smooth side facing up, press into all the little divots and crevices. No doggy, don't eat mommy's dentures. And then lightly spray with water, and then proceed as above. Placing the pad over the adhesive, overlap front and back to help prevent food from entering between denture and gum. And then wait 1 minute before placing denture in your mouth, and then bite firmly for 10 seconds. It's been a minute, so now I guess we put these weird contraptions in our mouth. I always start with my lowers, so this is what it looks like. A wet paper towel. Let's give it a go. I don't like it. Okay, that one's in. Now the upper. Bite firmly for 10 seconds. That didn't hold one bit. And it sounds like I'm talking with a mouthful of cotton. Ugh. Oh, I feel it. It feels like a paper towel and it's gross. There's no fold to this at all. It's not even in my data. That was gross. And there's still part of it in the denture. Look, it came out in 2 parts. Oh, that's nasty. That's not even in the denture at all. Oh, gross. Bondezz is a big hard no for me. There's no hold, no adhesive whatsoever. It doesn't stick in your mouth. It comes off the denture and it feels like a soggy, wet piece of paper towel, and that is absolutely disgusting. I do not recommend them. Good luck if you try them. If you do try them, let me know in the comments and let me know how they work for you. Thanks, guys.